Hi guys. So we're doing an unboxing today, a little different than usual, but I wanted to show you this real pretty lid. It's the first one I've got. It's from Clear Jelly Stamper, but instead of it being their, the regular inside of the box, it's this real pretty pink, and it says Coco and Claire because I just ordered my first 3 of those. I'm so excited to try their new gel polish. So anyway, that's the lid, so you can see it because it's pretty. And we're gonna go through and I'll show you what's in the box. So here's our cards, and this just tells us the info, like this way, how you can get a hold of them, how you can order stuff, for the, whether it's the Coco Claire or whichever it is. So they're Instagram, YouTube, and also Facebook. Okay, so let's get this stuff out of the way, tissue paper out of the way. And first, we're going to look at our Coco and Claire gel polish. Couldn't wait to get this. So there's one. Oh, and by the way, I got this in a special deal. It's one of their, like packages, gift set or deal set, however they call it. I can't remember, sorry. Okay, so our first one is this one here, and I think I love these bottles. They're so gorgeous. Look at that. And on here, it looks like there's dewdrops on it. Anyway, and it shows you can see really good the color. It shows you on there, but they're just gorgeous. I just love them. They're beautiful. And so there we go. And this one here, so I'll show you the colors. I did pull them out long enough to do a swatch real quick for you. But I'm going to show you the second one. So, and by the way, this one is called Spicy Chili. So this one's Spicy Chili. And this one here, the next one is called, oh, it's gorgeous. Let me turn it that way. And look at that lid. I love it. I don't know if it's supposed to be hollow, but it looks hollowish. Anyway, it's gorgeous. Love it. This one's called Just One Glass. And then this one, I love this one too. I'm so excited. I can't wait. So anyway, this one here definitely is a hollow. And this one is called Hollow I Love You. So it's number 21. And this one is Just One Glass is number 32. And the first one I showed you is Spicy Chili, and it's number 17. Okay, so I will show you the swatches that I did. So this one is the first one. This one is Spicy Chili. So I hope you can see that. I think it kind of looks like I don't know. I mean, it looks pretty opaque, but it almost looks a little bit sheerous, like a jelly. Not like completely as sheer as a jelly, but it kind of looks like that. Anyway, it's really pretty color. And then the next one is Just One Glass. And I know, I'm sorry, my setup here, camera setup, is not the best for showing hollows and, real blingy, but hopefully you get an idea. But it's so pretty. And also on the Clear Jelly Stamper site, if you look up this color, there is if you click on it, then there's a little video that they're showing you as they're painting this on a nail or a sample. I can't remember which, but anyway, so that might also give you a better idea as far as the way the color looks. But I'm really happy with every single one of them that I ordered. Just gorgeous. And then here is the hollow one. Oh, it's just beautiful. I love it. And it's so nice because, because before I got this one, if I wanted the hollow look, I had to do it with powder. And, and that's great for certain things, but it's nice having a hollow polish, a gel polish. You know, there's regular polishes out, but I love this, and I love being able to use this on my clients. So they are going to absolutely love it. So really fun. Okay, so that's the first 3 I got in the set. And I'm trying to think how much. So these are normally $18 a piece. And I know, you know, some might think that's a little high, but I think to me, it's worth it. And they're just gorgeous. So, but you can get it for less if you get it in that little set. So they have bigger sets, but I started out because I haven't had them before. I wanted to try them. So I got a set of 3. And so if you get it in the set of 3, if I remember right, it gives me them for $15 a piece instead of 18. So I got like, $3, I believe, off each one. Okay, so anyway, that's my Cocoa and Claire gel polishes. And by the way, on the box it says you can go to Instagram, you can go at Cocoa and Claire, so like and is spelled out. And then there's cocoandclaire.com, and then also on Facebook. But Clear Jelly Stamper, if you go to clearjellystamper.com, they will have it. So the next thing I also ordered that I had started collecting is their stamping polishes, and I love them. Everyone I've gotten so far I have loved. It has great pigment, stamps really good, beautiful colors. And so this is a brand new one, have not got to use yet, just got it. And it looks beautiful. And right now, so far, everyone I've been just getting their pearls, because I have a bunch of creams from other companies, and probably eventually I'll order creams from them too, but pearls, I just love them. They're just gorgeous, and theirs are really pretty. So anyway, this one looks like it's kind of a real pretty soft, pearl ruby red. Anyway, I will probably use this when I go to do a review, and then I'll swatch it for you. And then last but not least, I tried to order this in my last my Christmas grouping that I have not reviewed yet, but I did do an unboxing for the other Christmas plates. I went ahead and took this off just to make it a little bit quicker and easier, but this comes on it. And then, of course, the cards that I absolutely love. But I tried to order this last time anyway with the last Christmas plates that I unboxed recently. But they were out of this one. And so, yay, when I went to go get my gel polishes, order them, they had it back in. So I am so thrilled. They got it in fast. It is gorgeous. I am so excited. I cannot wait to use it. Look at these. They are so pretty. I love all these. So pretty. So it's going to make beautiful manis. Cannot wait to use them. Layer with them. However, it's going to be really fun. I know these are huge, but if you just use portions of these, they're so lacy and pretty looking. And then, of course, there's smaller ones too. But I will be reviewing this plate. Probably the next review and swatch I do will be on this plate as soon as I can. So anyway, I think that's it. Darn. So anyway, I hope this sort of gives you an idea, about, how awesome these are, and so that maybe you'll want to try them yourself. And I will put on, in the information box, I will put my 10% off discount code. So if you do want to try any of these from Clear Jelly Stamper, it does help. And then also, would you please like and subscribe and click on the bell icon above so that you'll get a notice on my next new tutorial, which will be really soon. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.